Okay, this is our first animation. First click on caret symbol, edit and properties. Okay, click on name. I give S1. Click on timeline bar. You can say start time 0F and end time write down 2S. Apply. Okay. Now this is our timeline bar 0F. Okay. I just click on circle tool and make a one circle. Clear? Now we first click on this, turn on animate edit mode. Before starting animation we have to click on this tool. Okay, now you can see here turn off the animated editing mode. Okay, after clicking on we have to move little bit our circle. Okay, our frame name is 0F. Now I click on this frame. This is 2F, this is 4F, 6, 8, 10 and 12F. Okay, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22 and 1S, that means 24F. 1 second માં 24 ફ્રેમ આવશે. તો નેક્સ્ટ હું ક્લિક કરું છું 12F પર. આફ્ટર ક્લિકિંગ 12F I just move my circle. Okay, like this I move my circle. Then I click on 1S. 1S means 24 frame completed. Now again I move the circle. Okay, now I click on 4F. See this 1S 4F, that means 1 second and 4 frame. I move this circle like this. Now I click on this 1S 8F. Now I move this circle again 1S 12F. Again I change the position of circle 1S 20F. Again I change the position of circle. Last is a 2S. Again I change the position of circle. Okay, now I click on this turn off animated edit mode. Now our animation is complete. You can see this animation by play the video. Okay, so we can make a simple animation moving circle. Now you can save. Our extension is SIZ and save in folder. You can change folder from here. Now you can render this image also by give a target as a GIF. So we can make a GIF animation. So you can see this animation in, click on render in your browser. Look, this is our first animation moving circle. Okay, our second animation is animation using keyframe. Let us create an animation of moving the circle from left to right and then left again using keyframe. For this we need to create following 3 steps. First the circle is on the left, second the circle is on right and the third the circle is on the left. First of all click on caret, then edit, click on properties. Okay, first we give name moving circle 2. Now click on timeline and here give the time 2 seconds. So our animation is 2 second duration. Okay, now click on OK. As per given in the book, now we need to draw circle. First change the fill color to green, then select the circle tool and create a circle as shown figure. તો ફર્સ્ટ બુકમાં આપેલું છે એ પ્રમાણે બેકગ્રાઉન્ડ કલર આપેલું છે, તો બેકગ્રાઉન્ડમાં એમાં બ્લેક આપેલું છે. આપણે કોઈ પણ કલર લઈ લઈએ, લાઇટ કલર લેવો હોય તો તે પણ લેવાય. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ અહીંયાથી આપણે એક કલર લઈ લઈએ બેકગ્રાઉન્ડ, ધેન ક્લિક big rectangle tool. Okay, now change the color. We can take red color. Okay, make a circle here with the help of transform tool. Okay, we set the circle. Now before starting animation, we must click on this person, turn on animate editing mode. So click on this. Now our animation is start. First add the keyframe. Click on this keyframe plus. First is a 0f 0f as per given in book. Parameter panel માંથી આપણે keyframe insert કરીએ. Okay, now our circle is here. You can just move little bit. Then after click on 1s. After clicking 1s, add new keyframe. Now you can see 1s. Now move your circle from here. Okay, now click on 2s. After clicking 2s, add keyframe and move your circle again here. Okay, now play your animation. You can see your circle move left to right. This is our second animation, and you can also render this animation also.